Let's look. Let's read. Brian is in the park. Let's count the words. Word. Now let's count them. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sentence has 5 words. Let's look at the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. This sentence has 4 spaces. Good job. Let's do the next one. Listen. He jumps into the leaves. Where are the words? That's good. But now I want you to count the words. Count the words. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're amazing. Good job. This sentence has. This sentence has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sentence has 5 words. Where are the spaces? Show me the spaces. Oh my goodness. Good job. Good job. Awesome. Count the spaces. Yes.
1, 2.
No. Oh, do it again. I'm sorry. Go. Count the spaces. 1,
1, 2.
1, 2. No. 3, 4. Sorry, the video is moving all over the place, guys. Let's count the spaces one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. This sentence has 4 spaces. You're awesome. Next. Read. Well, we're on this one. He likes to play with leaves. Count the words.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. This sentence has 6 words. 6 words. Where are the spaces? You're awesome. Good job. How many spaces? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh no. Spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sentence has 5 spaces. Right? Let's look at it. Word, space. Word, space. Word, space. Word, space. Word, space. Word. Very good. Last one. Ready? Read.
He is very excited.
He is very excited. How many words? I want words. How many words?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Excellent. This sentence has 4 words.
I see.
How many spaces? Oh my goodness, good job. Count the spaces. Count the spaces.
1, 2, 3,
Oh, no, sir. Space. 1, 2.
3.
Very good. This sentence has 3 spaces. High five. Bam. Good job. Good job. Good job. Okay. Now, read it.
No party.
He's speaking very softly.
He took the river.
Speak louder. Uh-huh. He is very excited. Brian is in the park. Brian is in the park. Read. Brian where is he? Good job. You need use the pen. Good job. What does he do? Let's read. He what? Read. What does he do?
Jump.
Awesome. Awesome. Good job. Let's read. Read.
No.
He likes to play with leaves. What does he like to play with?
As a play.
What does he like to play with? This is too abstract. Write it. What are you going to write? Write it over here. What does he like to play with? He likes to play with. He likes to play with leaves. He likes to play with. Read it. He likes to play with leaves. Leaves. What does he like to play with? What does he like to play with?
Play.
So he's saying play, play. So that's why I'm taking him back to the text. What does he like to play with? He likes to play with leaves. Play with? Play with leaves. Play with? Write it down. Play with what? Play with? Play with what? He likes to play with. Play with. Write it down. Write it down. Let's try it again. I don't like to give them answers. Play with. Yes. Write it down. Yes.